Hamster Kombat mini game key puzzle for today. Make sure you watch the video 2-3 times before you practice. We're also providing free key in our Telegram channel. Use the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section to join the Telegram channel. So follow me as I show you step by step on how it is done. So move the green candle at the top to the left. Then the red candle by the right, you take it up. The green candle at the middle, you move it to the right. Then the red candle, you move it up. The red candle by the left, you move it down. The key, you slide it to the left. Your red candle, you move it up. The green candle, you slide it to the right. Then you move the two red candle down. Then you slide the green candle to the left. You move the red candle upward again. Then the two green candle, you move it to the left. Then the red candle at the top, you move it downward. You slide the green candle to the right. Then you move the red candle upward. You can now slide the key. Boom. That is it. Make sure you like, subscribe to this channel, like our video, and also join our Telegram channel where you'll be getting correct updates on a regular basis. See you next time for more updates.